Still working on that load save functionality. Let's look at the code. So inside of the Filemob section, we're working on this binary array to pixel array function, our decoder function. We've added this new parameter because we need to keep track of the number of usable bytes in here. This is always going to be 512 times 512 times 4 bytes. We need to know how many of those bytes are meaningful. So extra parameter here for that. We're going to declare all of our variables up front right here and pay specific attention to this gotten PNG, which is allocated as a uint8 array. That is the number of input bytes here. You see, we take this, put it over here, put it back in here, right? And then this is also kind of important, this array buffer, which we're going to copy over the data from here into this output. So if everything is still okay, right? So okay starts out initialized as 1. If everything's okay, we're going to copy over the input bytes into this gotten PNG variable. Then if everything is still okay, we're going to try to decode the gotten PNG and put it into this third-party buffer, then convert this third-party buffer into an RGBA8 array, and that gets loaded into this third-party image. We're going to take the first frame out of that image and load it into this array buffer reference. If something goes wrong, we're going to set OK to 0. If everything is still okay, then we're going to make sure that the buffer is exactly 512 times 512 times 4 bytes, because it represents a 512 times 512 pixel image, and if it doesn't, then this gets executed. We'll yell at the user, we'll log out the buffer to inspect it, we'll set OK to a falsy value. If everything is okay, then OK gets a truthy value. Number of bytes is the number of bytes in a 512 by 512 image. We'll loop through every single byte and copy the bytes in the array buffer into our output parameter. Then finally, we need to delete the gotten PNG to pray to the garbage collector gods. What we did previously, our footnotes, and what we did in this video. If you want a longer description, you're going to have to go here. You are here. Source code here. Email me here. Like, subscribe, send money.